Hey shoppers, today we have a Gecko that crawls on the wall. It has a remote control, so it's powered by the remote control, and it has this really lightweight effects. So it's a fan on the bottom, so it kind of suctions itself to the wall, and then the remote allows you to control it. It also does work on the ground, but it is just super fun. The eyes light up red. It does take 2 AAA batteries on the remote, but it does come with a cord, and the actual Gecko is rechargeable.
This thing is fun. Wow! This is fun.
See if it'll go on the ground.
What?
See if it'll go on the ground. Oh, so there's ground mode and then there's wall mode.
Wait, there's what?
Is there ground mode and then wall mode?
Yeah. So,
All right, you can take it out of your package now. All right, so this is what it looks like out of the box. And then this is how you power it on. Clicking it right there. The eyes light up. And this is where you charge it right here. And that's the remote.